Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm reviewing Chanel's Spring Summer Makeup for 2020. I was really excited when they released this collection last week. I just received it in the mail. I purchased a few pieces from the collection. I can't wait to use them. I have not opened these or even tried them on, so this is a full first impression. I'm really excited to go ahead and dig in. I'm always excited to use and try new Chanel makeup. Before I get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. All right, let's get into this collection.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m.
I already have my base on, my foundation, my bronzer, so let's dig right into this collection. I think I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow quad. So we have the velvet case and the quad itself. I love the colors for this collection. You would think that they would go bright for the spring, but I love this sultry kind of orange, brown, mauve look. I love it. I think I'm going to start with this beautiful color right here and put that into my crease. So they are pretty pigmented.
You feel the same, you feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out, I will never leave aside my love.
So that's the crease color. It's so beautiful. I love how pigmented it is and that kind of mauve type of color that's somewhat muted. So I think I'm going to grab this color and put it all over my lid. Ooh, I really love this color. It's so pretty. I feel that you could just add this on the go, just add it on all on its own, and it will still look so beautiful. Okay, let's get into the next color. I'm gonna use this darker type of mauvey brown color and apply that to my outer corner. I love these kind of quads. You already know exactly what kind of look you're going for when you look at them. Love how dark and sultry it is. It blends so well. I mean, all Chanel eyeshadows really do blend like a dream. Okay, let's get into the final color. Now, they did release 2 different eyeshadow quads in this collection. I opted for this eyeshadow collection for this color right over here. It's a very orange type of color, but I felt that it complemented all the other colors so well, and I couldn't take my eyes off of this palette right here. So when I grab a little bit with my finger, I feel that it makes the color a little bit darker. Oh, this is beautiful. I feel that this color is what makes this collection a spring collection. All right, I'm just gonna take this darker color right here and shade it underneath my eyes. The next thing that I purchased is this kohl liner that also came out with the collection. Now, I haven't tried these kohl liners by Chanel yet, but I was in need of an eyeliner, so I felt that this is a perfect time. So it's this gorgeous dark brown color. This complements this entire eyeshadow palette perfectly. All right, let's try this on. Ooh, this is very creamy. It just glides right on there.
Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out, I will never leave
beautiful. I can't believe how easy it is to apply that eyeliner. It just goes on like butter, and it's very long wearing as well. I'm just adding some Le Volume de Chanel for my mascara. This is an absolute favorite of mine. So that's the eyes completely done. Wow, these colors are gorgeous. So beautiful, so sultry. It's this dark type of majestic spring look. Love it. It's beautiful. The collection came out with 2 different lip colors. I ended up choosing color 191, which is Rouge Brillant, and I thought that this one just screamed spring. They did have a matte kind of brown, chocolate brown color, but I ended up choosing this one right here. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's apply this on. Ooh, very beautiful. I feel that the chocolate brown color would definitely have complemented this look very well, but I do love this. I definitely will be getting a lot of use out of this lipstick color during the springtime. Now, the one downer to this collection is that there was no blush. They did create a highlighter, which I love that they're creating all these highlighters because they're very artistic in a way, but I do wish that they would create a blush to complement all these looks. Now, I know that they did recently create a tweed-like blush exclusive to the Chanel.com website. I didn't purchase that, but I feel that if I did purchase it, it would have complemented this look very well. But let's go ahead and move on to the highlighter. Now, from the pictures that I saw online, this highlighter is beautiful. Now, this is the Desert Dream collection, and the actual highlighter palette, ooh, looks like little desert sand on there. It's gorgeous, so pretty. Okay, I'm just going to swatch this. Ooh, the texture is very interesting. When you kind of mold it in your fingers, you see a lot of powder coming out. That's not normally what you get from Chanel highlighters. It's very different in a way to the other highlighters that they released this year, which I am so glad because I do not want to purchase or keep purchasing these highlighters and they're all gonna look exactly the same. Okay, let's try this on. Ooh, it's definitely very powdery, so I'm just going to tap it right on there. It doesn't give such an insane highlight, but you don't want that in the summer and springtime anyway. It still looks very beautiful. It really complements that sultry type of look that the entire look is going for. But this really does get rid of the Chanel kind of logo and that sand look, which is so sad. I love these collections for their artistic sense. I love that they tell a story, and I feel that this is why we all love Chanel so much, because there's so much behind the logo itself other than just repeating these collections over and over again. Even though the package looks the same from one collection to the other, inside you have just a story, something very different, and it's always so mesmerizing to look at. And this is the completed look. What do you guys think? How do you feel about this collection? I think it's so beautiful. It's so easy to use, especially in the spring and summer months. You don't really want to apply a lot of makeup, so this makes it so simple to use. I think my favorite would have to be the eyeshadow quad. This is so worth it. It's so beautiful. The colors complement each other so well. So easy to use. You can use any one of these colors all by themselves entirely all over the lid, or you can use the entire palette so seamlessly. They blend so well. They're the perfect pigmentation. Absolutely love this palette. Chanel also came out with liquid eyeshadows. They do look very beautiful online. However, I thought I would wait until they get released in stores just so that I can kind of play around with them and see which color I prefer most. The lipstick in the collection is so beautiful. I can't wait for the spring months so that I can utilize this. It's just such a gorgeous, vibrant spring color, and it complements the look so well. I love this kohl eyeliner. I definitely don't regret purchasing it. I love that chocolate brown color that it comes in and how it complements this eyeshadow look perfectly. I think I might actually purchase the black one in this as well. I just love the formula. It glides on so beautifully and very buttery. It's really easy to use. I highly recommend that if you guys need a good eyeliner, this Chanel kohl eyeliner is definitely one to go for. Now for the highlighter, it is beautiful. It complements this look very well. It's very much a collector's item. If you guys are like me and you love makeup, you probably have so many highlighters already. Do you need this? Not really, but it is very beautiful. And if you love to collect Chanel makeup, this is definitely one that you want to have in your collection. I really love this collection. I don't have anything bad to really say about it. I honestly feel that I will be purchasing some more pieces out of this collection. I just love how sultry it is. I'm not a huge fan of those pastel bright colors. I feel that for a day-to-day type of look, and especially for my complexion, I like these kind of brown, sultry type of orange type of colors. I feel that they complement my skin tone very well. They do have the lipstick, which is very vibrant, so I feel the balance that they have in this collection is so perfect. Before I close out this video, I just wanted to get your suggestion. Do you guys like when I kind of create a little quick montage of how I create my eye look, or do you like it when I sit down and talk to you guys about how I achieve my eye look step by step? Let me know in the comment below and I will go ahead and utilize your suggestions in my next videos. And that's it for my review of Chanel's Spring Summer 2020 makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys are thinking about purchasing anything from this collection, I hope it made it easier for you. Once again, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.